Government College of Engineering and Leather Technology, erstwhile College of Leather Technology, was instituted in the year 1919 by Rai Bahadur B. M. Das. Initially, this institute was known as Bengal Tanning Institute. This is a premier institute of leather technology in India. Firstly, it was affiliated to the University of Calcutta with a 4-year integrated degree course in the year 1955. From inception to the introduction of degree course, the college was under the Department of Industries and Commerce. In the year 1968, College of Leather Technology came under the umbrella of Education Department, Government of West Bengal. In the year 2004, when the college transforms to multidisciplinary system with the introduction of information technology and computer science and engineering, along with leather technology, it was rechristened as Government College of Engineering and Leather Technology, GCELT. Since then, it changed the umbrella with the affiliation to Maulana Abul Kalam Azad University of Technology, Makaut, West Bengal. In the year 2005, the post-graduation course of leather technology was introduced as M.Tech in Leather Technology with the affiliation to the same University of West Bengal. There is a 2-year advanced certificate course on footwear and leather goods, which is a hands-on training course, which also started in the year 1923. This course is still run under the same roof of the institute, catering 100% employment to the industry. This premier century-old institute has been serving technologists globally with repute. Dr. S.K. Barat, a former UNIDO expert, immigrated to Italy, is an alumnus of GCELT. Dr. Samir Dasgupta, an international scientist presently in USA, is also an alumnus. Mr. Devayan Ghosh, Director and President of APGen Groups, Dubai, is also a young alumnus. Mr. Satyanarayan Moitra, Director of Stahl India Private Limited, Leather Chemicals Division, as well as Mr. Diganta Ghosh, Head of Marketing, Queen India Private Limited, are among the internationally reputed alumni passed out from GCELT. In case of publications, series of research papers on East Kolkata wetland, Ramsar Site 1208, have been published in last 15 years by the recently retired principal Dr. Buddhadev Chattopadhyay. More than 30 papers in peer-reviewed journal have been published in last 5 years on leather science, collagen, as well as polymer science. In last 2 years, 2 patents granted in favor of GCELT, one of biopreservation of Mithun heights and the other on fish leather patent from National Biodiversity Board. In the new millennium, the 3 tannery clusters in Tiljola, Topsia and Tangra has been shifted to Kolkata Leather Complex, Bamtala. GCELT received excellent support and advice from Assomac and PISIE in the form of 2 most modernized laboratory funded by the government of Italy to serve the Kolkata leather industry in terms of testing and analysis. These two labs are Analytical Chemistry Laboratory and Physical Testing Laboratory, set up in GCELT more than 11 years ago. Fund assistance was endorsed by Assomac and PISIE from Italy. Till date, industry people in pandemic period also approach GCELT for testing and analysis of samples. In absence of faculty persons also, testing is still performed, but time required is more. GCELT possesses faculty trained from Italy. So to make use of these laboratories, our faculty members can give very good support to the industry. Students are also lucky to be trained up with new equipment and instruments as budding technicians. Background of each slide in presentation are mostly from the two famous Italian labs, highlighting machineries and equipment which are very much functioning to serve the industry as well as to train up the students. Apart from that, many high precision instruments like atomic absorption spectrophotometer, UV spectrophotometer, HPLC, CHN analyzer functioning in ecotoxicological laboratory and also from the classrooms as well as greenery of the campus. In the last 2 years, GCELT assists Solidaridad, an European Union organization, with environmental issues and baseline survey of tannery in Kolkata Leather Complex, Bantala. Technical feedbacks are also provided by GCELT, and a MOU has been set up between the two organizations. Recently, CSIR, CLRI have also established an alliance with GCELT for better research facilities as well as very modern training environment of our students. GCELT will also provide trained personnel as and when required for their skill development training program. This MOU has been signed on August 10, 2021 in gracious presence of the Vice Chancellor Maulana Abul Kalam Azad University of Technology, West Bengal. GCELT is involved in HR activities for the skill development and skill upgradation training program of the industrial workforce in leather goods and footwear sector conducted by the Ministry of Commerce and Industries, Government of India. So far, we have trained up more than 24,000 number of skilled and semi-skilled workforce till 2017 in 5 years period. Machines from Italy are the connoisseur around the globe for leather as well as footwear industry. Quality production depends on quality machines. Therefore, to attain the superlative degree of the final product, Italian machines are impeccable. These machines also enhance faster cycle of production, even the aesthetic appeal as well as strength properties from heterogeneous raw materials like hides and skins. The technological advancement around the globe is nucleated from Italy. Presently, the cutting-edge technology in tannery machines for fine-tuning the control is being developed chronologically due to the Italian connoisseurs like Elite, Gemata, Editor, etc., bonded through Assomac. We are proud of our majestic collaboration with Italian leather industry through Assomac and PISIE. Thank you very much indeed for providing GCELT with such a glorious occasion of presentation.